Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the second part of 8th chapter Mapping Your Way of class 5 subject Mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. Now come to today's topic. So first topic is map 3, which is based on the route of the parade, and second is map of Red Fort. So now let's start it. So first topic, as I have told you, that is map 3. So let's start to read it first. So waiting for the parade. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. So they all friends want to know that where this parade start and where it is end. So on the newspaper, it was written first Vijay Chowk, second Rajpath, third India Gate, fourth Tilak Marg, then Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, and at last Subhas Marg, and ends on Red Fort. So the children look at this map to see the parade route. So now let's find out this all route on the map. So before that, here we have a question. Mark the route. Okay, we will definitely mark it. Trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. Okay. And second is look at the map carefully and find out which of these longest road. Okay, longest road we will also find. So here we have our map. Okay, so as the students got their newspaper, and there it was written that the parade was started from Vijay Chowk. So here is Vijay Chowk. Okay, now let me zoom it first. Okay, now it is clearly seen. So here it is Vijay Chowk. Just a second here. Okay. So this star mark on the road. This is the Rajpath road, as you all know. Okay. And from this star mark, it is started Vijay Chowk. So first you have to mark like this. You have to trace like this. Okay. Just let me. Okay. Now India Gate is here. So you will take a shape. Then next Tilak Marg will be joined like this, and now let's continue it. Yes, we found the Tilak Marg, and then next. Okay, so this is Tilak Marg, and let's trace it. Now it is meeting on Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. And now Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg is meeting on Netaji Subhas Marg here, and it is now continue. So here is Red Fort. Okay, you can see it, and the road is now more long. So in this way we have traced the parade, that how it will go. So I hope that you all will do it on your book. And now second question was we have to mark India Gate, and second was Rajpath. So let me zoom it once again the map, and Rajpath, as I have told you, this is Rajpath. You can trace it. And India Gate, this one is India Gate. Now the second question was we have to find the longest road, and the options were Subhas Marg, Tilak Marg, and Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. So let's find out these all roads where these all are. So here you can see first Tilak Marg. So from here you can from the central hexagon inside is also there is Tilak Marg. So just trace it. So this is Tilak Marg. Now let me change the color for another road. Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg is from here. Okay. Then Subhas Marg, it is not from here. Tilak Marg, this is. Then next Subhas Marg, and the next is Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, the second was, and the third is Subhas Marg. Okay. So now we have to find their length. So if we will measure this road by using a scale on this map, so we will find that Tilak Marg is only 4 cm, and Bahadur Shah Zafar is 3 centimeter and Subhas Marg is more than 5 centimeter. So it means it is clear that Netaji Subhas Marg is the longest road among this all. So now come to the next question. The question is here. If Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. So let's trace first Jama Masjid. So where is Jama Masjid? Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, so here is Jama Masjid. You can see this one is Jama Masjid, and from here it is started. So let me trace the road. Okay, and the parade is started from Vijay Chowk and ends on Red Fort. So the road, this is the Subhas Marg, and the road is also on this Subhas Marg. So we have to find the length of this road, means only this one. Yeah. So if you will measure the length of this road by using your scale, so you will find that it is only 1 or 1.1 centimeter something is there. Okay, you can write 1 or 1.1 centimeter is there by using scale. So on the map it was written that 2 centimeter, okay, 2 centimeter makes 1 kilometer. So 1 centimeter, yes, it will make only 500 meter. The next question is the total route of the parade is about how long? 3 km, 16 km, 25 km or 8 km. So first we have to, as I have traced this route from Vijay Chowk to Tilak Marg to Bahadur Shah Zafar, then Subhas Marg. Okay, so we find that total the length is about 16 centimeter on the map. Okay, 16 centimeter on the map. So on the map 2 centimeter makes 1 kilometer. It means 16 centimeter will make 8 kilometer. So you can write your answer. It is, the parade is about 8 kilometer. Now, yes. Okay, so some students we are discussing here that hey, see, that is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. My mother told me it is 2 km from Vijay Chowk to India Gate, and the long road between this is Rajpath. We have already traced it. On this map it is about 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter makes 2 km on the ground. So that was calculating by using the scale. And now let's guess how many kilometers long Rajpath is. So you are right. See, it is written at the bottom. This map scale 2 centimeter makes 1 kilometer. We have already discussed about it all. Now come to the next. As the parade passes by, they see some children coming on an elephant. So these children have got bravery awards. Okay, so it's a new fact for you that why the bravery award is given. So it's very easy. Bravery awards given to the children who works brave, means who are brave and whose has done a work by saving a life of animal or any person. So this type of bravery work is selected for this award. They also enjoy the colorful dances and aerobics by school children. Now they want to follow the parade to Red Fort. Gappu has seen Red Fort before and tells them about this trip. So now next, come to the next map, that is map 4, and it is based on Red Fort. So trip to Red Fort. When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue for tickets. Yes, we have to buy some tickets to go to enter the Red Fort. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. After entering it, we turned left into a long corridor with little shops on both sides, and that is called Meena Bazar. I bought some lovely bangles for my sister. You can go straight through Nakkar Khana to reach Diwane-Am. This is where the king used to meet the common people. So Diwane-Am was used by the kings to meet the common people. Now next is Diwane, walking straight from Diwane-Am, we saw Rang Mahal, and it is a beautiful building. There were 3 more buildings on the left side. Look for this on map. So Nakkar Khana, you can see this is a picture, and it was used where drums were beaten to shout out the king's message. So now next is, we walked left from Rang Mahal. Diwan-e Khas was where the king used to meet his ministers and other important people. Means Khas means very important persons. Now next, find out from the map, but before going it, let's have an observation. So up here is Red Fort, and this is Meena Bazar. Lahori Gate is here, and here is the Red Fort map. So let me zoom it. Okay, so Lahori Gate is here, you can see it is mentioned here. Meena Bazar, then Nakkar Khana, Diwan-e Am, Moti Mahal, this is Rang Mahal, Aramgah, this is Diwan-e Khas, Hammam, and last is Moti Masjid. So this all, and here is also Yamuna River, you can see. Ring Road is showing here. Okay, so now come to Subhash Marg. You can see this is Subhash Marg, okay, where we saw the parade. Okay, now some questions there were. So first is, which of these is nearer to river Yamuna, Diwan-e Am or Diwan-e Khas? So let's find out Diwan-e Am or Diwan-e Khas. So here is the map, and Yamuna River, we can see this in blue color. So Diwan-e Khas, this is Diwan-e Khas, and this is Diwan-e Am. So it is clearly seen that which is very close, very nearer. So no doubt Diwan-e Khas is nearer to Yamuna River. Now next question number B. Between which 2 buildings is Aramgah? Okay, so here you can see Aramgah. So Aramgah, this is written, and this is Aramgah, and it is between Rang Mahal and this one is Diwan-e Khas. Now next question. Okay, which buildings do you pass while going from Raj Mahal to Hammam? Raj Mahal to Hammam. So let's find out it. Rang Mahal. So here is Rang Mahal, and this is Hammam. So we can clearly see that Diwan-e Khas and Aramgah we have to pass. Now next question is, which buildings on this map is farthest from Meena Bazar? And next question is about how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan-e Khas. So let's find out these 2 questions answer. So first question was farthest from Meena Bazar. So here we can see Meena Bazar, and these are the farthest buildings. So the most farthest we can write here, that is Hammam we can write. This is the farthest, you can see. Now the next question is about how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan-e Khas. So Diwan-e Khas to Lahori Gate. So first we have to find out Lahori Gate. So this one is Lahori Gate. Okay, this is Lahori Gate, and this one is Diwan-e Khas. So what is the distance? So for that we have to trace it first. So let me trace it. Lahori Gate, then Meena Bazar, then Nakkar Khana, then Diwan-e Am. Then it will be okay. Now so this length, as I have measured in my book, so it was 6 centimeter, and from here to Diwan-e Khas it was only 1 centimeter. So 6 plus 1 total 7 centimeter I found in my book, and according to the map scale, 1 centimeter was making 100 centimeter. So I can say the distance from Lahori Gate to Diwan-e Khas is approximately 700 meter. Okay, it may be changed if you are changing the route, so it will be definitely changed. So now in this way our route of Red Fort in map 4 is completed. I hope that you have very well understand. So let's over this class. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy, be safe. Jai Hind.